Okay. So here we will start now. The point of factor. How to find out the factors of polynomial. Okay. First of all, I am going to show it on a whiteboard. Okay. We will solve one sum on a whiteboard and second sum we will be on a PPT. Okay. So I think no one have no issue about this. So here I'm just taking the simple sum. I'm going to take first one. That is how to find out the question. What? Find the factors of the polynomial given below. Question in 3.6. First question in 3.6. The question is find the factors of the polynomial given given below. Okay. So that is what the question. Now we will solve the first simple question, that is 2x square 2x square plus x minus 1. Now in this method what we have to do? Here the first term having the coefficient 2 and here it is the last number. So we have to multiply this 10, this 2. 2 into minus 1, answer is minus 2. Answer is what? Minus 2. अब इसके factors कैसे आएंगे? What will be the factor of this? What will be the factor of this? Yes. Whenever the coefficient of x square is given over here, we have to multiply that coefficient with this number. I think you all know that this method. Yes, you all know this method or not? Are you familiar with this? Yes. No. How it is? Whenever the coefficient of x square is given, you have to multiply. First of all, I'm just telling you here. Wait. Here it is x square 2x square. Here you got the addition. ये जो middle term होता है, that is what the addition of two numbers, and here this is the third term, that is what the multiplication. ये multiplication consider किया जाता है. लेकिन if you can see this number and this number, if you can see this number, अगर ये you can see in the equation this number, you have to multiply these two with this last. That's what we are doing. That's what we are doing. If I'm taking one more question, it will be clear again. Now I'm just taking the simple 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1, the product is minus 2. Product is now minus 2. Just tell me the factors of minus 2 that give us a plus 1. That gives us a plus 1. So factors will be nothing but the factors of 2 are 2 ones are 2. Okay? 2 ones are 2. And their product, their addition or subtraction, whatever it is, it should be plus 1. तो यहाँ पे हम minus 1 इसे देंगे. Okay, so this is plus 2 and this is minus 1. Now you can just look at here, plus 2 into minus 1. The product is plus minus minus, 2 ones are 2, done. And if you are taking 2 minus 1, so answer is 1. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, student? If I'm taking more sums, na, it will be clear again. Okay, so 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. And what were the factors of 2? 2 ones are 2. But we need a product, it is minus 2. So obviously, out of this 2 and 1, one of the sign is negative. So we put the sign of 1 negative. So it will be 2 ones are 2 plus minus minus. And 2, अब यहाँ पे एक multiplication हुआ है और एक बार addition होगा दोनों का. that is plus 2 minus 1, that is plus 1. So here we can apply that. यहाँ पे आप ऐसे देखो 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, it is plus 1. Now we will just give this 2x and this minus 1, so you will get 1x. So we will write down this 2x square as it is. Now we will write down this simple x. ये 1x को हम कैसे लिखेंगे अब देखो. You will write down 2x minus 1x and minus 1 as it is. यहाँ पे हमने चेंज किया है. ये 1x को हमने कैसे लिखा? 2x minus 1x. Okay? 2x minus 1x. Now just take these two first term and these two second term. What is common in between them? We can see the 2 common and we can yes, I'll check. 2 common and x is also common. Okay. What is remaining in the first term? 2 is already done. Out of x square, 1 is done. So x is only remaining. And this 2x, whole 2x is common. So what is remaining at that place? Only 1. Okay. In the next two, we will just take the minus sign common. And 1 again common. What is remaining? X plus 1. Okay. एक वो हमने 1 common नहीं लिया तो भी चलेगा. Now here you can see x plus 1, x plus 1. Take it common. X plus 1 common. What is remaining? 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. So this is what the last answer. Clear? Understood? Okay. I'm taking one more question just like that only. No, I'm taking one more question again. So just look at this question. Here the coefficient of x square is 2 is given. So we multiply that 2 with minus 1. What we get? Minus 2. What we get? Minus 2. Find out the factors of minus 2. Just like it gives us plus 1x. So the factors of minus 2 are plus 2 into minus 1. Okay. So plus 2 into minus 1, the product is minus 2. And if you add the plus 2 minus 1, wait. So here, if you add the 2 plus 2 minus 1, you will get 1x. Okay. Now we will just replace the plus x. Plus x की जगह पे what we have to write down? Plus x. In place of plus x, we have to write down 2x and minus 1x. Okay. Whatever the factors we find it out, we have to write down that one. That is 2x and minus x. Minus 1x or x only. You can just mention the x. Okay. Don't get confused. So there you can see. Now here we got 4 terms. That is 2x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 1. Now first 2 terms. From the first 2 terms, wait a minute. So here you can see, first from the first 2 terms, you can just take the common. What is common? 2 is common, 1x is common. Okay. So what is remaining? From the 2x square, if you took the 2x common, so only x is remaining over there. So x plus 1, and here in the remaining two terms, these two terms, if you take the 1 common, what is the minus 1 common? So it is x plus 1. Take x plus 1 again, and whatever the remaining term, just like 2x and minus 1, write it down in the second bracket. I'm just taking one more question. Here, next question is 2m square. This is all question I am taking from a 3.6. 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Now just tell me what will be the next step. Here the coefficient 2 is given. What will be the next step? 2 into minus 3. Very good, Maithili. 2 into minus 3, the answer is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Very good. Now wait now. Minus 6 is the product we got. Now we have to find out the factors of minus 6. Okay, that gives us plus 5. The find out the factors of minus 6, that will gives us addition plus 5. For just find out the two factors here and here, and that gives us addition plus 5. Now just tell me the factors. Yes, 2 into 3 are the factors. Yes, 2 into 3 are the factors. Yes, you are telling 2 and 3 are the factors. So I am writing down. Okay. But 2 and 3, if we have to put, just wait now. 2 and 3 are the factors, but one of the signs should be minus because this product is in a minus. So where should, yes Bhumi, wait, let them give them answer. Wait, if I put minus 3, okay, minus 3, so 2 3 6, yes Simran, 2 3s are 6 plus minus product will be proper. But if you are taking the addition of this, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, but what we need, plus 5. So are they proper factors? Are they proper factors? No. So what will be the other factor of 6? What will be the other factor of 6? Yes, 6 ones are 6. Very good. So we will just take the factor 6 ones are 6. Now, and minus sign. Now just put the minus sign, that gives us plus 5. अब हम कैसे number को, to which number you will give the minus sign, that will give us, yes Bhumi, very good. So minus 1, 6 into minus 1. Very good. 6 into minus 1. Just look at here, don't send any message now. 6 into minus 1, the product is 6 ones are 6 plus 6 plus minus minus. So here we got the product properly. Yes. Now, and 6 minus 1, here we got plus 5. It's done. So these are the proper factors. Okay. Okay. So one thing you have to just remember, that the thing is what, whenever here the plus number is there, just like here plus 5, you have to put negative sign to the smaller number. You have to put negative sign to the smaller number. Okay. And whenever here, suppose here negative sign, negative number is there, you have to put negative sign to the bigger number. This is what the funda. Okay. So we will just put the numbers now. We will just replace the numbers. Okay. Here we got plus 5 just now. This plus 5 in place of plus 5m, we will write down 6m minus 1m. Okay. So 2m square as it is. In place of plus 5m, you can write down 6m minus 1m. Plus 6m minus 1m minus 3. Till here it is clear? Okay. Okay, fine. Now the next step is what? Now we got 4 terms. Now just consider the first 2 terms and second 2 terms and take the common from first 2 terms. Take common from first 2 terms. What is common in between first 2 terms? Only m is common? No, it is 2m. It is 2m is common. So what is 2m? Suppose I write here 2m. What is remaining in the bracket now? What is remaining in the bracket now? M plus 3. Very good. Very good. Suppose here from here 2 is taking common. M is also taking common. So M is remaining in the first term. From the second term, this is from 6. 6 is the product of 2 and 3. So 2 I am taking common. What is remaining? 3. M is also common. So this is in a bracket. Now from the next. Now from this, what we will take common? Minus 1. Very good. Minus 1 or minus sign you can just take it. What is remaining in the bracket? M plus 3. Okay. Now what is common? What is common now? M plus 3 is common. Okay. M plus 3 is common. So I am just writing here M plus 3. M plus 3. And what is remaining in the next bracket? What should be in the next bracket? 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1. Very good. So here is the last answer. I hope you understood this one. Okay. So this is what the method. So you can apply this method to bigger numbers also. Now the next time the question will be, which last step now? Just taking the common is the last step, second and last step. Taking the common from this 2m square plus 6m. Two m square means m into m. 2m square means m into m. You can write down 6 in the form of 2, 3. 2 into 3. You can write down 6 in the form of 2 into 3 into m. Now this is the simple. 2 as it is, m square means m into m. 6 means 2 into 3 into m. What is common? You can see here. 2 is common in both. Take it outside. M is common in both. Take it outside. What is remaining here? M plus what is remaining here? 3. This is what the step. Now it is clear? These are the very basic steps, students. Okay. Which next step now? If I just write down this much. Yes, it is already done in previous classes. That's why I'm asking. Why they are asking these simple steps. Now this one is done. Now from these two, minus sign is common. What is remaining in the bracket? M plus 3. Now both having m plus 3, m plus 3. Take it common again. What is remaining? 2m. Here minus 1. This is the last step. Done. Now I am going to share you that two more questions I am going to take for this exercise. So I hope till here it is clear. Okay. Wait a minute, student. Okay, fine. So here 3.6. Third two questions I already took. Now I'm going to take the third question here. Now here you can see, find the factors of the polynomial given below. Okay. Just tell me here what should be the multiplication. 12 into 77. What will be the multiplication? 12 into 77. 12 into 77. What will be the multiplication? What will be the multiplication? Answer is 194 or 124. What will be the answer? We have to take the product. Okay. So we are just taking that product. It is 124. Sorry, 924. Now we have to find out the factors of 924. As we are taking here 12 into 77. So it is 924. Find out the product of 924. That gives us 61. These two products. Okay. All signs are plus. So don't worry about the sign. All signs are positive. Okay. So product is always positive and addition is also positive. So both numbers will be positive. Okay. So what will be the factors? The factors will be, here it is 28 and 33. 61's product are 28 and 33. So here it is 28 and here it is 33. They are both having the product 924 and addition of these two is 61. Okay. So next, now we have to take common in between first two. Common in between first two, this first two. What will be the common? The common in between these two? Okay, so the common in between this is 4. Common in between these two is 4 because 4 3s are 12. If you write down 4 3s into, अगर आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा सिंपल चाहिए तो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 12 square. How will you write down 12 square? Some students are there, they are not understanding this simple step. So I have to explain in this manner. 4 into 3 into 4 into 3 are 12. X square means x into x. Now the 28x. How will you write down 28x? 7 4s are. Why I'm writing 7 4s are? I'm not writing 14 2s are? Because here we got the factors of 12 that 4 3s are, and here also 28 7 4s are into x. What is common in between them? 4 is common. So I cut it. X is also common. So we have to write down 4x outside and whatever the remaining terms, that is 3x and plus 7 in a bracket. Okay. So this is what the next step. Okay. So here 4x is common. So 3x plus 7 is remaining. Now 33x and 77. Here you can see 33x and 77. 33 means 3 into 11 into x, and 77 means 11 into 7. What is remaining? 11 is common. What is remaining? 3x plus 7. Now here you can see 3x and 3x plus 7. Both having the same. So take it again common. What is remaining? In the first term 4x is remaining. In the second term 11 is remaining. So this is what the method to find out the factors of polynomial. Okay. Now next. Here this method, this question is not directly given in the form of x square. Here they gave this bracket x square plus x square plus x in place of x. They say in the previous question they gave x square. Now here they give in this bracket square. So we will consider this bracket now. We have to consider this bracket. Okay. So in a solution we will just consider this, or let x square plus x as a m, the whole bracket as a m. Now what you will get the equation? Equation will be, in place of that bracket we will put m. So equation will be m square minus 8m plus 12. Okay, m square minus 8m plus 12. Now you know that here nothing given. M square, the coefficient of m square is not given. So we don't have to worry. If it is not given, then it is very much simple for us. Okay, whenever the coefficient of m square is not given, it is very much simple. Just take the 12. This is the 12, this is product. Find out the product of that, gives us minus 8. So what will be the product? 6, 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. But product is positive, but the addition is negative. What you have to do? Just put the negative sign to both. Okay? Because minus minus will be the plus, and 6 2s are 12. And minus 6 minus 2, it will be minus 8. Okay? So both conditions are satisfied for the product and addition also. Okay? So 6 2s are minus 6 into minus 2, that is plus 12, and addition is minus 8. So next step. Next step will be m square as it is, in place of minus 8m. In place of minus 8m, you have to write down minus 6m minus 2m plus 12. Now take common first two. Take common from the first two terms. Yeah, say. What you will take common? Nothing is there, only m. So what will be the next step? M is common, and what is remaining in the bracket? From m square, if you take the m common, what is remaining? M. And from the 6m, if you take the m common, what is remaining? Minus 6. Okay. And from this two, what will be the common? Minus 2 we will take the common. Minus 2 we will take the common. So minus 2. अब यहाँ से by using this, how will you write it down? Minus 2. From 12, how will you take the common minus 2? As we know that 12 having the factors minus 6 and minus 2. So minus 2 we will take common. What is remaining? Only minus 6. Okay. So next step. From the first two, m is common, remaining is minus m minus 6. From the last two, we take minus 2 common. What is remaining? M minus 6. So again, you can see here m minus 6 is common in two terms. These two are the terms. Which two terms? This is one term, this is two term. Second term. M minus 6 is common. Okay. M minus 6 is common. What is remaining in the second bracket? That is m minus 2. Okay. M minus 2. But our question is not in the form of m. It is in the form of x square. Is in the form of x variable. So we will just replace this m. We will replace this m by x square minus x. This is not the end of the question. Okay. Next step. In place of m, we will write down. In place of m, we will write down x square minus x. Okay. So resubstitute the value of m we get. In place of m, we are just putting x square minus x. This is the value, x square minus x, x square minus x. Now here you can see again simple quadratic equation. So we have to find out again the factors of these two. We have to find out the factors of this also separately. Okay. So here we will just take one first. We'll just take one. Okay. We are, for our understanding, we will take first bracket this much first. How will you write down? What is the product? Minus 6. Okay, minus 6 it is. How will you find out the factors of minus 6? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. But we need a minus sign. And the product addition is minus 1. I told you, whenever the addition is minus, we have to give the negative sign to the bigger number. Bigger number. Okay. So minus 3 into plus 2, it is minus 6. And minus 3 plus 2 addition is minus 1. Product is minus 6, addition is minus 1. So we will write down this bracket like this. X square, in place of minus x, minus 1x, we will write down 3x plus 2x. Okay. So minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 as it is. Now take the common from this x square minus 3x. X is common. What is remaining in the bracket? X minus 3. Now from this 2x minus 6, only 2 is common. What is remaining? X minus 3. Now in this 2, x minus 3 is common. So take it outside. What is remaining? X plus 2. So about this bracket, it is completed. If you are solving the first bracket, so it is done. Don't get confused and don't get panic that we have to solve that much. Okay, here is the solution, these two brackets. Okay, now we will solve the next, this one. Now minus 2 is the product. Minus 2 is the product. And we know that 2 has only one factor, that is 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. And here we want again minus 1x. Minus 1x or minus x. So what we have to do? Give the minus sign. If this is minus, give the negative sign to the bigger number. To the bigger number. So minus 2x plus 1x. Sorry. So these are the factors. Okay. So x square as it is. Minus 2x plus x minus 2. Okay. In place of this x, we write down this much. Now again, the same method, take this common from first two. What is common? X is common. What is remaining? X minus 2. Nothing is common in between them. So we just put the 1 and what is x minus 2 as it is. Now x minus 2 common, and what is remaining? X plus 1. So this is what the last answer that we got in the form of x variable. The question is in the x and answer is also in the x form. Okay. So this is the method if the question is given in the form of like this, x square minus x in place of x square. Okay, one bracket is already given in the question, so we have to consider that. Okay, so I hope till here you understood all properly. Okay, fine. Okay. So all concepts are clear about the factors. Okay. So I'm just taking the simple question now. Okay. I'm just taking the simple question now. So it will be easy. Just like that same question. Okay. Before that, I am taking one more question. Here, 2x square minus 7x minus 15. Okay, tell me the product. What will be the product? What will be the product? 2 into minus 15. Yes, it is minus, it is minus 30. Very good. It is minus 30. Now, find out the product, find out the factors of minus 30. That that will give you the minus 7. That will give you the minus 7 in addition. What are the factors of 30? 15, 15 twos are 30, then 6 fives are 30. Yes, 10 threes are 13. Very good. 10 threes are 30. Now, negative sign is in a addition. So, where should I put the negative sign? To the bigger number. Okay. So, minus 10 plus 3. These are the products. So, 2x square minus 7. In place of minus 7x, what I have to write down? Minus 10x plus 3x. Minus 10x plus 3x. So, here I am writing down minus 10x plus 3x and minus 15 as it is. In place of minus 7x, what I wrote? Minus 10x plus 3x. Okay. Now, next step. What will be the next step? To take common from first two and then from last two. Okay. So, this is what the method. Now, what will be the common from first two? 2x is common. Very good. What is remaining in the bracket? From the first term, if you take the 2x common, what is remaining? Only x. From the second term, that is minus 10x. If you take the 2x common, what is remaining? No. Minus 5. Yes. How it is? How it is? Because 2x square. Those who are not understanding this much, just understood this one. 2x square. 2x square means 2 into x into x. Minus 10 is what? Minus 2 into 5 or 2 into minus 5 into 2. Minus 5 into 2 into x. So take the common. 2 is common, x is common, 2 is common, x is common. What is remaining? X minus 5. Okay. For the next. Here. What is common? Plus 3 is common. What is remaining? X. Here. Product of 15 is 3 into 5. If you took the 3 common, what is remaining? Minus 5. Now here you can see in this term, you can see to x minus 5. In this term also you can see x minus 5. So x minus 5 is common. What is remaining? 2x plus 3. Okay. Okay. So you understood all this point.